This video provides step-by-step instruction for calibrating the pHoenix XL meter, along with some helpful tips and tricks regarding technique and best practices. First, take the pHoenix XL meter and turn it on by pressing and immediately releasing the power menu button. From the home screen, press the menu button, which will take you to a selection menu. Making sure the arrow is pointing to calibrate, press the SEL or select button. This will take you to the calibrate menu. If you are using the combination solution, select both. If you are using separate conductivity and pH solutions, select either conductivity or pH. For conductivity calibration, the high selection includes 14 millisiemens, 100 millisiemens, and 50 millisiemens solutions. The low selection includes 150 microsiemens and 1000 microsiemens solutions. For today's demonstration, we will be using conductivity solution. Remember not to hold the meter in a horizontal fashion. For best results, use the meter in a downward facing angle, where the syringe is above the meter. This helps remove air and bubbles from the measurement module, thereby improving measurement stability. Before each calibration, we recommend flushing or rinsing the meter to get rid of any remaining fluid or air bubbles from previous solutions. When introducing a different solution to the meter, be sure to use 3 rapid 3 to 5 milliliter flushes for optimal results. Remember that drawing 3 to 5 milliliters of solution means the blue part of the syringe goes to the first line on the handle of your meter, or when the end of the syringe has been pulled out roughly ½ an inch. When flushing, make sure that your draws are not too slow or too long. Before you start a calibration, remember that when you're in calibration mode, you're not necessarily looking for the right answer or the exact number you see on your standard solution bottle. What you are really looking for is a consistent, stable reading. A stable reading is identified as a reading that is no longer trending up or down, and the final digit of the reading has either stopped or is switching between neighboring numbers. Stable readings can only be identified when pulling the solution into the meter or stopped, not while you are expelling solution. After you have flushed the meter with the solution, start your calibration by pulling the syringe at a constant, moderate rate. Make sure that you don't draw solution in too quickly or too slowly. Otherwise, it will be difficult to reach a stable reading, and you may consume more solution than necessary. It's also important to remember not to draw the syringe plunger all the way. This may result in the syringe leaking and uses excessive solution volume. Draw solution at a constant, moderate rate, making sure the meter is at a downward facing angle. Keep your eye on the display, looking for a stable reading. When you have reached 10 milliliters, rapidly expel the solution and repeat the pull to 10 milliliters until you obtain a stable reading. When you have maintained a stable reading for 2 to 4 seconds, press the select button to save your calibration value. Your meter will automatically adjust the numbers for you, so there is no need for a manual adjustment. The pHoenix XL meter will not adjust the reading when pressing the up or down arrows. We do not recommend saving the calibration while expelling the solution, only when drawing the solution through or after you have stopped and the reading is stable. If you do not produce a stable reading, or if an out-of-range warning appears, expel your solution rapidly and pull solution again at a constant, moderate rate until you reach a steady measurement. Once you have saved your calibration, we recommend that you verify your meter against the same solution. Unlike the calibration, you will be looking for the exact same number for either pH or conductivity that you see on your calibration solution. If the numbers are not within tolerance, you should perform another calibration and be sure to save a stable reading. If you are receiving an out-of-range warning, a few things might be happening. Continue to pull solution through your meter at a constant moderate rate until the 10 milliliter mark. Rapidly expel solution and repeat until you reach a stable reading. Make sure that the solution you are using reflects the calibration mode you are currently in. If a different solution remains in your meter, it may skew your results. Make sure to properly flush the meter before calibrating or verifying solution values. For more helpful documents and videos, visit us today at dialogart.com.